Hello and welcome. It's Julie Cube and I'm here in Queensland, Australia. So I'm going to do a bit of freestyling here for sure. It is basically dumping my colours and I'm going to create the art shapes and designs out of my hairdryer, my little blow dryer. So I've just always used the blow dryer on low to be able to control it a little bit easier. So first of all, I've got two of these canvas. One is a deep edged canvas and this one is a slim edge canvas, and I'm using basically beautiful earthy metallics. So I have my champagne gold, which I make out of 50% metallic gold, 50% metallic silver, and it's that lovely champagne colour. Just add in a bit more, I think I must have added some white to that because I didn't, it was just too dark. But anyway, it's kind of turned it into a bit of a caramelly colour. And then there was the burnt sienna gold, that's the metallic gold, and I think I used some burnt umber, there we go, as well. So I'm adding a bit of Australian Floetrol to it because it was a little bit thick and I did want to create some cells. So it's literally willy-nillying all over my canvas, and now the enjoyable bit for me is just working it with the hairdryer and seeing where I go. So remember to stay with me because I have another piece too that are very similar, but as you'll see, they had very different outcomes. So remember, there's no set rules with these fluid art, and as you see here, I'm adding some black afterwards because I want to put some more definition in there, and it's absolutely, anything's acceptable. That's what's really fantastic about this. You can, work it as you go along and add or take away things that you don't like, but certainly adding that extra bit of black gives it a little bit more oomph, pops your socks. I am actually super happy with this, and it sort of made me realise that I can do this particular technique on a really quite large canvas using my bigger blow dryer, probably starting from the centre and blowing out, because these colours and this style are all over the designer shops at the moment in Australia. And I think that's sort of gave me the idea. I mean, not that it's anything new, but I thought, goodness, I could do a really large canvas doing this particular technique. So definitely will be giving that a try on a large canvas in the future. So there you go. Really happy with this bit. Wait on to my next piece, and it's on that nice gallery wrapped canvas. It is the same size, but yeah, I really want to do more or less the same, but I'll blow it out completely differently. So bear with me. Oh, there you go. I did add some unbleached titanium, as you can see. It's something that I had left over. Definitely all the colours of the acrylics are mixed with my homemade pouring medium, which is in the drop down box in the description underneath my videos, with also video links to how to make your acrylic fluid. So basically doing the same again, but layering the paints differently, and I will blow out differently. See, as you can see, blowing out differently, literally from the centre outwards. It was kind of a completely different look, but super cool. I absolutely love it. And then adding that black after definitely puts more oomph in the painting altogether. I just really enjoyed this process and so happy with the finished pieces. But please wait on and don't leave me just yet, because I will show you the dried and varnished pieces at the end, as well as the paintings in a picture wall app. So look at that. It was really super cool. Really going to do this on a large canvas because I love it, love it, love it. Just as I start to do the little video, this is while it's wet, so I am going to leave it to dry, both of them, and then I'm going to go back in with some detail. With super happy with those. I'm super happy with the colours. Those colours always really sell well, so super happy with those.